SUNIX Technology helps SI system integrators upgrade AOI technology by providing AI accelerator cards, enhancing accuracy and efficiency, transforming quality control in PCB module manufacturing. SUNIX Technology's solutions. We assist SI system integrators in setting up AOI visual inspection processes for PCB module factories. Using SUNIX AI accelerator cards with advanced AI visual models greatly improves inspection speed and defect identification accuracy. 1. High-precision AI recognition. AI technology and visual models automatically adapt to different defect characteristics, reducing false positives and improving accuracy. 2. Rapid computational power. SUNIX AI accelerator cards offer strong computational capabilities, enabling quick and accurate inspections in high-speed production environments. 3. Low power consumption with high cost-effectiveness. Compared to traditional systems, SUNIX AI accelerator cards consume less power, saving energy costs and providing a cost-effective solution. Expanding application areas. SUNIX AI accelerator cards have been successfully used by SI system integrators in various PCB manufacturing plants, gaining validation and recognition. SUNIX AI accelerator cards with SI's AOI solutions can be applied in 1. Electronics manufacturing. Detects minute defects on computer motherboards, ensuring quality and reducing rework and scrap rates. 2. Automotive industry. Detects defects in automotive production modules, ensuring high product reliability. 3. Medical devices. Enhances visual inspection accuracy in diagnostic instruments, aiding quick and precise judgments by medical personnel. 4. Industrial automation equipment. Prevents minute defects in robotic control, ensuring precision and stability. 5. Consumer electronics. Improves smart home devices like speakers and cameras, enhancing the intelligent home experience. These cases demonstrate the broad applications and importance of SUNIX AI accelerator cards with SI solutions across various industries, improving inspection accuracy and efficiency, ensuring product quality and reliability, and providing a competitive edge for enterprises.